One night in Milan with 3 kids and a train to catch the next morning. Here's why the Hyatt Centric Milan made sense for us and whether it's actually worth the price. Today we're taking you inside the Hyatt Centric Milan, a one-night stay we booked specifically for its location near the central train station. If you're passing through Milan with kids and need a practical, comfortable base, this one might be on your radar. Here's our honest take. So we needed to be close to Milano Centrale train station for an early departure the next morning, since we were leaving for Lake Como. This hotel is about a 5-minute walk from the station. There isn't a huge amount going on immediately outside the hotel, though there are a few restaurants nearby for a quick bite. But don't expect a buzzing area full of things to do. For a one-night transit stay, the location works well. But for a longer Milan trip where you want to be in the heart of the action, you might want to consider other options. Check-in was smooth and soon we were in our room. The room was on the smaller side, though it's worth noting that adding a rollaway bed for our family of 5 does naturally take up space. This was provided at no additional charge, something we always appreciate and never take for granted as a family of 5. We were positioned at the end of the hallway, which turned out to be really quiet. The bathroom was compact but functional, and there was even a bidet. Clean, well-maintained, and everything you need for a one-night stay. One thing that was really nice was that the minibar was stocked with complimentary non-alcoholic drinks, a small detail that feels generous. Breakfast was a highlight of the stay. Good variety with great coffee. No complaints from any member of our family. And as globalists, breakfast was included for our whole family, which is always a meaningful saving. In general, staff here were great, especially the porters. They were really helpful and friendly, as well as the restaurant staff who were great at breakfast. The Hyatt Centric Milan is on the pricier side. For a one-night transit stay where location and convenience are the priority, it did exactly what we needed it to do. The staff were warm, the breakfast was good, the room was quiet, and the rollaway bed was complimentary. For that specific purpose, arriving, sleeping well, and catching a train in the morning, it was a success. We paid $404.50 for a standard king room. Would we choose it for a longer Milan stay purely on value? Probably not. We feel like it's a hotel that serves a specific need really well, and if that need matches yours, it's a good choice. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Give this video a like and subscribe to Travel & Go family for more honest hotel reviews from our family to yours. See you at the next hotel. Bye!